Hopefully y'all can hear me. So I got a package in the mail. We're gonna do an unboxing. The Osmo Pocket 3. I'm trying to take this on a trip that I got coming up in the next few days. I wanna test it because it's a little bit more compact and portable than my Sony ZVE10 that I'm recording on right now. So let's get the unboxing. Damn, I think because of the light. So this is the one that comes with the wide angle lens, the mic transmitter, and the battery handle, as well as the tripod. So we have one slim case. Ah, it smells delicious.
Nice.
Wow, this is a nice slim case, look at that. And just for reference, here goes the DJI Pocket 1, but we're gonna do a comparison on size. Right off the bat, we have the Pocket 3. If we do a size comparison, it's a little bit bigger because of the 2-inch screen, especially the gimbal part because it's a 1-inch sensor. And then we also have extra battery. It says when mounting, insert the battery handle onto the Osmo Pocket 3. This is the mic transmitter. Very nice, very compact. What is this? This is the mini tripod. So we have the mini tripod here. Very nice. We have, what is this? Okay, so this is the adapter with the 1/4 inch, so you can put it on a tripod. We have a USB to USB charging cable. We have the accessories that go with the mics, such as the wind muff, and I believe this is gonna be the wide angle lens. Yeah, so this is gonna be the wide angle lens right here. Awesome. I'm gonna charge it up and then I'm gonna be right back. So I was able to charge it up a little bit. This is gonna be the first boot. So I think you tilt the screen this way. Once I set it up, I'll go ahead and do the recording and just show the footage afterwards, giving my review on it. But, oh, when you put it back, it says it's turning off. But if you just look at the size comparison, definitely a big difference. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, just showing what came in here. I'm gonna take this on a trip in the next few days, so I'll definitely document everything and let you guys know how it works. I've seen other people do unboxing and give their own reviews, so I just wanted to go ahead and take the jump and use this.
That looks super cool.
Does it?
Wow, it's so clear.
You can also put it on your phone. There's the Mimo app. So it's like, boom. You see how it's following?
That's really cool.
That's crazy, right?
That way it doesn't get blurry.
Yeah, and then it's like it's a gimbal, so it's gonna stay stabilized. What do you gotta say?
I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
What do you gotta tell the people? You gotta like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment,
we're going
subscribe.
on a trip. We can't tell them where we're going.
We're going on a trip. Like, comment, subscribe.
Anything else?
No.
No? ¿Estás segura?
No.
Okay. We'll see y'all next one.